Breaking news coming in. Supreme Court has sent out a warning to Tihar Jail officials of contempt. This over non-installation of CCTVs despite the top court's previous judgment. The court also sought an affidavit on how tobacco and other contraband substances find their way into Tihar Jail. Those are details that are coming in at this point in time. This is the Supreme Court issuing a warning to Tihar officials over several issues, including the non-installation of CCTV cameras and also asking how contraband substances have entered Tihar. Those are the details at this point. Meenakshi joining us for more on this. Meenakshi, there have been instances which have come to light in the recent past of contraband things that are being found in Tihar Jail, and this is specifically also the issue of CCTVs that the top court is raising.
Well, absolutely. Today, the court was dealing with the case of a custodial violence and was surprised to find that one of India's high-profile jail is yet to comply with several earlier directives that was laid down by the Supreme Court. And today, like you rightly mentioned, there's been an oral warning from the Supreme Court to Tihar Jail officials of contempt for non-installation of CCTVs despite earlier judgments of the Supreme Court asking for them to expressly comply with this directive. The Supreme Court has also sought an affidavit from the Ministry of Home Affairs and also the Tihar Jail authorities on how these substances like tobacco and other contraband material finds its way into this high-security Tihar Jail. And alongside, the Supreme Court has also sought details by way of an affidavit on steps being taken to bolster existing CCTV infrared cameras in terms, again, of the earlier directives laid down by Honorable Justice Rohinton Nariman's judgment. So clearly, Supreme Court quite unhappy with the state of affairs that presently exists, and it feels that there is a greater need for implementation of its earlier guidelines that it has laid down by virtue of earlier judgments.
All right, Meenakshi, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.